Sabırlı tohum. Sabırlı tohum. This is the story for today. The meaning of this story, or the title, let's say, the patient seed. So tohum means seed. See, like here the picture, seed. Sabırlı means patient. Let's see what the story talks about. Bir çiftçi toprağa iki tohum ekti. So let's translate first of all. A farmer planted two seeds in the soil. So a farmer, çiftçi. Now when we have this chi at the end or ch depending on the vowel, here the I might change. It means we're talking about someone who does this work. So bir çiftçi means a farmer. Toprağa iki tohum ekti. Now ekti means here planted what? Two seeds. Toprağa in the soil. Okay, toprak from the word toprak. Now in Turkish, when we say, like in English, we say two seeds with an S, but here, if you notice, we didn't put lar or ler. It should be lar, because the iki, which means two, already is plural. This is in Turkish. You don't have to put the lar or ler, which represent the plural, unlike English. So iki tohum. We don't say iki tohum lar. This is wrong. Not like English. Birinci tohum sabırsızdı. The first seed was impatient. So birinci from bir means one. Birinci, this is inci, means first. Like when we want to say second, we say ikinci. Üçüncü, third. So first, second, third. First, birinci. Tohum, as we know, seed. Sabır, we said sabır means patient. The sis gives the meaning of the opposite, was not patient, and the is the past. So we say the first seed was impatient. Ne zaman büyüyeceğim? When will I grow? So ne, we know, is when. Zaman, time, if we want to translate it as it alone means time. Ne zaman means when, together. Büyüyeceğim, will I grow? From büyümek, to grow. This or let's say yumuşak G from ecek, the future. Im is I, when will I grow? Ne zaman çiçek açacağım? When will I bloom? Now, as we said, this one, ne zaman çiçek alone means flower. Açacağım alone means will I open, from açmak, to open. But we cannot translate it this way in English. When will I open? No, when will I bloom? İkinci tohum ise sessizdi. The second seed was quiet. So, as you notice what I said here, birinci means first, ikinci, this inci, gives the meaning of second, third, fourth, and so on. So second, tohum, we said seed, ise, like here, ikinci tohum ise, this is how we say it, as for the second seed, ses means voice or sound, siz or siz is the opposite, the is the past. We don't say without voice, we say was quiet. So the second seed was quiet. Toprağın sıcaklığını hissetti. Yağmuru dinledi. It felt the warmth of the soil and listened to the rain. Hissetti, here from hissetmek, to feel. Ti is the past. Okay, this is the verb. Sıcaklığını, like sıcak from the word hot, or it means hot. Sıcak means hot. And toprağın means soil. Okay, from toprak. Here, these endings is part of the grammar when you know the grammar. And of course, if you want to know more, learn more grammar, you can check the link in the description box below. So as we said, it felt the warmth of the soil. We don't say the hotness of the soil. Yağmuru dinledi. It was listening to what? The rain. Yağmuru from yağmur. Yağmur means rain. Yağmuru, the rain. Dinledi from dinlemek, to hear. Di is the past. And you can notice here we have I, because we have the last vowel of the word is e. Aylar geçti. Months passed. So month passed. A lot of month. So aylar. I means month, lar is the plural, geçti from geçmek, to pass, and as we noticed, t is the past. Sabırsız tohum erkenden çıkmaya çalıştı. Okay, we can stop here because we already have a verb. The meaning of this sentence is the impatient seed tried to sprout too soon. Sabırsız means impatient. Tohum seed erkenden. Erken means early. Now then means from. Okay, of course we won't translate literally. Çıkmaya çalıştı. Tried to come out. Okay, but when we want, okay, çalışmak, çalıştı, tried. Çalışmak also we can use ders çalışmak means study. Also çalışmak means work and çalışmak means in our sentence means tried. To go out, to come out early. So it will be the impatient seed tried to sprout too soon. Okay, that's how we translate. Ama kökleri zayıftı, but its roots were weak. Ama means but. Kök means root. Kökleri, its roots, root, yes. Zayıftı from zayıf. Zayıf means weak or thin. Zayıftı is the past. But its roots were weak. Rüzgarla devrildi, meaning it was knocked down by the wind. Rüzgar alone means wind, rüzgarla with the wind, and here it means like it fell, knocked down. It was knocked down by the wind. Sabırlı tohum ise yavaşça büyüdü. The patient seed grew slowly. Okay, we know the patient seed. As for the patient seed, it grew from, you make it pass somewhere here. Okay, where is it? This one. It's the same, but different ending. It grew what? Yavaşça. Yavaş means slowly. Alone. Yavaşça also it gives the meaning of the action she was doing. That was happening slowly. The action. Köklerini derine gönderdi. It sent its roots deep. Derin means deep. Gönderdi. Göndermek means to göndermek to send. Kökler or yes kökler it passed here from kök means roots. The meaning will be the patient seed grew slowly. It sent its root deep, of course, in the soil. İlkbaharda sağlam bir fidan oldu. By spring it had become a strong sapling. İlkbahar means spring. İlkbaharda in the spring, or we say by spring when translating. Sağlam, strong. Sağlam bir fidan oldu. Oldu means it happened. But translating, bir fidan means like sapling. So it grew. By spring it had become a strong sapling. Final sentence. Diğer bitkiler ona hayranlıkla baktı. The other plants admired it. The other plants, bitki alone means plant, bitkiler plants, ona, to her, from o, this, baktı, looked, hayranlıkla means with admiration, okay? So, other plants admired it or looked with admiration to it, I don't know, the way you want to translate it. So, other plants admired it. O da sadece gülümsedi. It only smiled, okay? Sadece only gülümsedi, from gülümsemek to smile, gülümsedi in the past smiled, okay? Çünkü sabırla gelen güzellik içten olurdu. Because beauty that grows with patience comes from within. Because, okay, sabırla with patience, gelen coming, okay? Gelen as it is, if you want to translate. Gel means come, gelen the coming. Güzellik, beauty. İçten, from inside, olurdu, okay, from olmak to be. Let's translate properly. So, because beauty that grows with patience come from within. This is the translation of the story in English. And if you want this PDF, you can check the links below.